Hi, hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to find archive chats on Telegram. So for example, I will try to archive some chats of me from, let's say, this one and this one and this one, because this these are only notification that those people join the Telegram, so it's not really important, I think. And then I will press the triple dot and then I can click this archive. Now all the chats already archived. Now how to find all those archived chats? You go to your Telegram on the home page here on the chat list, and then you make sure you go to the top of your Telegram, and then you can swipe down, and then as you can see there is a text written that release for archive. So when I release my swipe down, I can see this is all my archive chats. So when I click that archive chats, all those that I already archived in the past is showing up here, so I can see all my archived chats. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.